Have you ever considered the possibility that time, as we understand it, might just be an illusion? It's a thought-provoking concept. Time, in essence, is a relative experience, unique to each individual, each moment, each breath. Our minds, in their pursuit to make sense of our three-dimensional reality, create divisions, past, present, and future. But when we delve deeper, we realize something profound. Whenever we reminisce about the past, we do it in the now. Similarly, when we dream of the future, we dream in the now. And when that future finally arrives, it arrives as the now. This suggests that the segmentation of time is nothing more than a mental illusion, a construct of our minds. It's an intricate web we weave, but why? This illusion of time, intriguingly, gives birth to a false self, the ego. The ego, a creation of the mind, thrives on this illusion of time. This illusion, a mental construct, is born from a sense of vulnerability, a fear of the unknown. The mind, in its quest for security, builds a fortress of deception, the ego. This false self, this illusory identity, is a substitute for your true self, rooted in being. The ego revels in this state of fear and want. It seeks to attach itself to this illusory identity, to make it real, to give it substance. It forms a pattern of thoughts, emotions, behaviors, reactions, and desires. This pattern, like an endlessly repeating script, becomes the ego's identity, a performance that varies from individual to individual. But the ego, in its deception, creates an obsession with the past and future. It uses these constructs of time as an escape, a way to avoid the present moment, the now. It's a constant chase, a constant race against time. But what if we could break free from this illusion? What if we could see the ego for what it truly is? A creation of the mind, a false self. What if we could live in the now, free from the shackles of the past and the anxieties of the future? This obsession with the past and future, driven by the ego, becomes an escape from the present moment, the now. But what if we told you that honoring the present moment could dissolve all unhappiness and struggle? Imagine, if you will, a life that flows with joy and ease. This isn't a fantasy, but a profound reality that can be achieved by embracing the now. The present moment, dear friends, is a powerful beacon of light that can illuminate the path of your life's journey. Let's delve a bit into ancient wisdom. There is a spiritual practice which encourages non-attachment to the fruits of one's actions. This means not dwelling on the results, not being consumed by the outcomes. Failure or success, these are just constructs of the mind. They do not have the power to change your inner state of being. When you are fully present, you begin to understand that there is no need to become anything other than who you are already. You may accumulate wealth, knowledge, or success, but in the deeper dimension of being, you are complete and whole right now. This state of being detaches you from illusory expectations that something or someone in the future will save you or make you happy. The chase ends. The struggle ceases. You are no longer driven by fear, anger, discontent, or the need to become someone. When you honor the present moment, you realize that you are complete and whole, just as you are, right now. Being free from time, can you imagine what that would feel like? In this state of being, you liberate yourself from the shackles of time and the expectations it brings. There's a sense of completeness, an innate wholeness that permeates your existence. You are not a patchwork of past regrets or future anxieties, but a flowing, vibrant entity in the present. This state of being unravels the illusion of scarcity. It washes away the nagging sense of incompleteness, the gnawing hunger for more. You begin to recognize the abundance within you and around you. You're not a vessel waiting to be filled, but an overflowing source of joy, love, and creativity. In this state, you're not driven by the fear of time running out or the anxiety of not measuring up. You're not sprinting towards a finish line, but dancing in the rhythm of life. Free from time, you no longer pursue your goals with grim determination or the need to become someone. You are complete, just as you are in the now, are in